With its innovative design, the Aardwolf Kitchen Installation Cart revolutionizes stone transportation and installation. Its ability to lower, lift, and roll large stone pieces directly onto kitchen cabinets simplifies the final placement. One of the standout features is the power lift capability, which adjusts stone height from 929 millimeters to 1229 millimeters, 36.6, 48.4 inches, above the ground. The table size can be extended from 950 by 1800 millimeters to 1250 by 1800 millimeters, 37.4 by 70.9 inches to 49.2 by 70.9 inches. The array of transfer bearings integrated into the frame is crucial to its functionality, which allows countertops to roll smoothly into position, minimizing friction and strain. It runs on a 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing reliable and long-lasting power.